welcome to our channel Hema Classes. In today we are going to see NEET 2021 examination, exam pattern, syllabus and mock test we are going to see. So the exam pattern for the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET is released by the National Testing Agency NTA. Candidates who will be appearing for NEET UG 2021 exam must have a clear idea of the exam pattern and syllabus. The article here will cover the details related to exam duration, mode of exam, number of questions, marking scheme, the medium of the exam, etc. related to the exam NEET 2021. So we are going to see the latest update. The NEET 2021 exam advertisement has not been released yet. The NEET 2020 exam was conducted. It was conducted on 13 September 2020 due to COVID-19 situation. So we are going to see now exam pattern highlights. What we have to do? What are the exam patterns? We are going to see here. Here are the important details for the NEET 2021 exam. Mode of exam of offline, pen and paper based. We are going outside to write the exam, right? So offline, pen and paper based. Duration of exam 3 hours we are going to write. The total number of questions is 180. Type of questions is multiple choice questions only. Medium or language of question paper. English, it will be in English, Hindi, Urdu, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Assami, Oriya, Kannada, Tamil and Telugu. Marking scheme. For correct response they will give 4 marks, and for an incorrect response they will give they will reduce -1. They will reduce -1. Total marks is 720. Subjects in exam: physics, chemistry. Now we are going to see subject-wise distribution of questions. The NEET question paper will comprise of 3 sections as physics, chemistry, biology. The section-wise questions break up as it follows. See. Subjects: physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. Number of questions in each is 45. And the total number of questions is 180. Then maximum marks is 1 for physics 180, chemistry 180, botany 180, zoology 180. Total 720 marks. Next, center wise language option for NEET 2021 exam. The NEET question paper will be available in different languages as per different centers. Here are the details. Medium of question paper: Hindi, English, Urdu will be in all exam centers. Marathi in Maharashtra, Gujarati in Gujarat, Daman, Dahar and Nagar Haveli. Bengali centers in West Bengal. Oriya will be in Odisha. Assami will be in Assam. Kannada, Karnataka. Tamil, Tamil Nadu. Telugu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Note: Hindi, English and Urdu question paper will be available at all the centers along with question paper in their respective regional language. The candidates must choose the language of the examination while filling the application form. NEET 2021 syllabus. If we are discussing the exam pattern, how we can forget the syllabus? The NEET 2021 syllabus has been prescribed by the National Testing Agency. The agency hasn't introduced any changes in the syllabus in 2020, and no changes are expected in 2021 syllabus till now. The detailed 2020 syllabus is available at the official NTA NEET website. So candidates are advised to go through the syllabus carefully and prepare for the exam. Thank you.